Hello, hi. Today I will be talking about Mendel's monohybrid cross. Now, what this monohybrid means? Mono means single, hybrid means mixture of characters. Mixture of traits or characters. Now, let us go to this Mendel's monohybrid cross. Here, a single pair of contrasting characters is taken into consideration. So, let us take a very common example, plant height. So, let me write here the character taken is plant height. And in plant height, the dominant trait is that is tall, and the recessive trait is dwarf. Now, whenever we'll be taking the parents, tall plant crossed with dwarf plant. So here I have written phenotype, which is visible from outside, the tall plant crossed with dwarf plant. Now let us write the genotype. For tall plant we will be taking capital T crossed with small t. Now let us take the gametes. You know gametes are haploid in nature. So here it will be coming half of this pair. So it will be capital T, and from these again half of the contents will be passing to the gamete, because gametes are haploid in nature. So here this will be small t. Now what will be F1 or first filial generation? First filial generation means when you cross the parents, the next generation what you will be getting, that is called as F1, first filial generation, and that will be capital T and small t. Here you see this is a monohybrid. We have taken a single pair of contrasting traits, and here we are getting a mixture of alleles. So this is called monohybrid. That's why the cross is called monohybrid cross. And this one is heterozygous tall. Now let us do selfing of F1. So whenever we will be doing selfing of F1, we will be taking the combination of capital T small t crossed with capital T small t. I am writing here F1 crossed with F1. This is also called as selfing. Now here what will happen? You take two of these combinations. Now what will be the gametes here? Now you see the gametes. From here two types of gametes will be formed, because this is a heterozygous condition, and from here also two types of gametes will be formed. Now let us go to F2. Now here you see when this T will be crossed with this T, so that will be capital T, and this capital T with small t, this will be capital T small t. Now this to this it will be capital T small t, and this small t to small t it will be small t. Now 25% will be capital T. This one, two of these combinations are coming. Now you see here, that means we have got, this is tall, this one also tall, this is again tall, and this combination is dwarf. Now here see, if you consider phenotypes, now this tall is coming 75%. You can see here, this is one 25%, this is another, and this one another. Then dwarf is coming 25%. Now what is the phenotypic ratio here? Now here you see the phenotypic ratio is 3:1. Now come to the genotype. Now here you see the genotype, capital T we are getting 25%, capital T, small t, here you see 25%, another 25% here, so it is 50%. Now this small t is equal to 25%. Now what is the genotypic ratio? It's 1:2:1. Let me explain you this phenotypic genotypic ratio by taking one example. Suppose we are getting 36 plants, total plants in F2 generation is equal to 36. Now let us calculate how many it will be tall and how many it will be dwarf. Now tall is 75%, so 75% of 36, so that will be 3/4 into 36, so it will be 27 plants will be tall. Now how many plants will be dwarf? So you just subtract from here, or you take 25% of 36. Now again it's 1/4 into 36, so it will be 9 plants. Now you come to the genotype. Let us see how many plants will be having capital T combination. So it is 25%. So now it will be 25% of 36. That will be 9. Now this capital T, small t combinations will be coming 50%. So 50% of 36 is equal to 18. Now this small t combination will be coming 25% of 36. So it will be 9. That means capital T combination will be having 9 plants, and this capital T, small t combination will be present in 18 plants, and small t combination will be found in 9 plants. So this is all about Mendel's monohybrid cross. I hope you understood very nicely. Thank you very much.